I present to you Meshy, one of the best text-to-3D AI tools on the market. This tool will take your games to the next level. With its realistic high-quality textures and meshes, this tool will not only allow solo developers to compete against giant studios, but also shorten your game development time significantly. Meshy can do everything from text-to-3D, image-to-3D, AI texturing, and more. Meshy AI is not only amazing at creating 3D objects in just a few minutes, it can also automatically rig your character, monster, or animal and add animations to it just by clicking a button. Meshy has also a community tab full of amazing 3D objects that you can download or remix into your own. And if you're trying to get better at prompting, each object in the community tab also includes all the text user inputs that were needed to create each individual 3D object and texture. By using the Meshy free plan, you will receive 200 credits per month, which will allow you to generate up to 10 textured 3D objects. Now let's take a look at the text-to-3D model generating using the free plan. When you go to the Meshy's website, first of all you're gonna need to sign in. Just click over here and log in with your Discord or your Google account. After you're signed in, you will get 200 credits for free, and you can go under the workspace and text-to-3D. Or here we're gonna type gladiator, no weapons, and T-pose. Now we're gonna click on generate over here, and this is gonna cost us 10 tokens. And now as you can see, the AI tool generated 4 models. We can choose one of them over here. I'm just gonna go for the first one, select it, and confirm it. Now the AI has started texturing the model. Texturing also costs 10 tokens. Now as you can see, our model is now textured, and now we're gonna go to the community tab, and I'm gonna show you how the remix button works. So for this I'm gonna use my account with the pro plan, and I'm gonna go to the community tab and go under the popular creators. Click on the first one, and over here, as you can see, here are all the models that he generated. I'm gonna select this one and scroll down, and over here we can click on remix. As you can see, now we have the same prompt that he entered to generate this character. I'm gonna make some adjustment to it because the character was meant for 3D printing, so I'm just gonna delete this and also delete this, so we can actually use this character inside of a game. Now let's click generate. As you can see, we have 4 models, and now because we have the pro plan, we can use the free retry button 4 times, which is gonna generate 4 new models with the same prompt for free, and we can do this 4 times. Now I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna click confirm, and because we're gonna use this model inside of a game, we also have to lower the vertices. So as you can see, this character has 211,000 vertices, and we have to lower this number because otherwise our game is gonna lag. So over here we're gonna click on the remesh button, and I'm gonna choose 10,000 vertices, and we're gonna choose the triangle topology and click confirm. And now the AI has generated a remeshed version of the character with only 4,700 vertices. Now this character is ready for the game, but first of all we're also gonna add some animations to it. So to add animations to the character, we're gonna click on the rig button over here. We're gonna select humanoid, and we're gonna adjust the height of it. Now we have to select the chin, the shoulder, the elbow, and also the wrist. We're also gonna select this and the knee and the ankle. Now we're gonna click confirm, and now as you can see, the walking animation has already been added to our character. Now we can scroll over here and select our animations that we wanted to add. So if you want to add different animations, just click on the add button. Now as you can see, the skilled one animation has been added, and we're ready to download the character. So over here we're gonna click the download button, select all animations, and click download again. Now we're also gonna select this one, and we have to download this one to get the texture of the character. Alright, so as you can see, we have the texture over here. Now let's take a look at it inside of the Blender. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it over here, and as you can see, this is our character in the Blender. Now let's add this character to an actual game engine. So in this case I'm gonna use Unity 6 game engine, and I'm just gonna drag and drop the texture. Now I'm gonna zip the other folder with the animations, and I'm gonna drag and drop everything inside of the game engine. And we also have to create a material. So I'm gonna right click, create a material, I'm gonna name it player, I'm gonna turn off the smoothness and drag and drop the texture to the base map. Now I'm gonna drag and drop the character output to the game, and click on the character and drag and drop the material to the character. Now we're also gonna add some animations to it, so expand this character over here, click on the animation and duplicate it using your keyboard. Now we're gonna rename it to walk animation, and also we're gonna create an animation controller so we can actually switch between different animations. We're gonna name it player, we're gonna select character output and drag and drop it to the character output. Now we're gonna go to the animator window and drag and drop the walking animation. Now select the animation and turn on loop time. Now if we click play, as you can see, our character is walking. So now let's take a look at how would AI generated 3D objects actually look inside of the game. So as you can see over here, we have some monsters, we have the character, we have a sword, and also the arena. Everything over here has been generated with Meshy. Also the character has an idle animation, attacking animation, a walking animation, and also a running animation. Those are also the animations from the Meshy. Now I'm gonna delete all the monsters, and let's check out the animations of the monsters. So as you can see, the monster is playing the idle animation, and if you go too close to it, it's gonna start running towards the player and attacking it. If the player actually hits the monster, and as you can see, the hitting animation gets played. If you hit it again, as you can see, the monster dies and it plays the death animation. Alright, so now that we've seen how 3D AI generated characters, monsters, items with AI generated animations would look inside of an actual game, let's discuss how Meshy could still improve. One issue I noticed is when remeshing animating the character, Meshy sometimes leaves holes in the models. I hope this will be addressed in future updates. Additionally, I would like to see Meshy add finger bones to the hands. Without them, we can't properly close the character's hand, making it difficult to show the character holding a sword convincingly. I also hope that Meshy will add more animations in the future, such as multiple sword attack animations and perhaps even dual-wield sword animations. Some of the existing animations have issues too. For example, the idle animation causes the character to increase in size, making it appear larger than during the running animation. Furthermore, some animations cause the character to shift off-center, which can look strange when rotating the character inside of a game engine. There are also instances where certain animations rotate the character in the wrong direction, such as this one, which rotates the character by 90 degrees, requiring manual adjustments to fix. Despite the areas where Meshy can improve, it's important to recognize how incredible this AI is overall. The high-quality realistic models and texture it generates are truly some of the best available on the market today. The level of detail, realism is unmatched, and it's amazing to see how far the technology has come. The AI is already mind-blowing, and it's exciting to think how it will continue to evolve and improve in the future. So this is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like on the video if you'd like to see more videos like this, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.